via rules that are available inside the Allegro PCB Designer license. You would need Allegro PCB Designer or higher to be able to use this rule set. So I've got some 4 nets here. You can see these kind of slightly different coloured nets here that I want to specifically match as a group. So what we'll do is we'll launch Constraint Manager from either the Constraint Manager icon, or we can go to Setup, Constraints and Electrical. And launch Constraint Manager. So I can go to the vias area and I can create a via rule. So let's go and create an electrical C set called Match Vias. Click OK, and then say I want they've got a match with a maximum number of vias as 2. I can then go to the vias area, locate the 4 nets that I have, and we'll just use the control click to select these nets. We can then create a class called vias, and then I can apply that match via rule. Now I also have to turn on, make sure the DRC modes are checked on. So if I go to analysis modes, and look at the electrical modes, I've got a rule here for the max via count and a rule here for the match via count. So let's just make sure they're both enabled. Okay. What we'll then also say is that for the vias we want to turn these match vias on, so they must match. So if this net here has 2 vias, then all the others have to have 2 vias as well. So we'll just iconize Constraint Manager away, and what we'll do is we'll then just go and route these nets. So I'm actually going to force, let's have an error there. Let's actually put a couple of vias on. Let's go to inner 1, let's go to the top. So I'm getting a DRC here a bit, we'll just ignore that for now. We can hover over that and see that we're not matching the vias. I've got too many vias. If we go back to Constraint Manager is giving the feedback. So this is the rule of 2. This one's got 3, so we're 1 extra on this one. These are under 2, so we're meeting these, but we're not matching the rules here. So we want to match, so they all must have at least up to 2 vias or none at all. So let's just go in and make some changes. So we'll just let's just de-highlight these nets, and then we will let's go to Etch Edit mode. Change to the top, change to the top. We'll just tidy that up. And if we go back to Constraint Manager now, you can see that we're getting the green filter, everything's meeting the rules that we've defined.